About a year ago I decided that I wasn't going to do any more gardening. I was going to give up on my gardening because it took too much water and too much time. I'd been looking after it for 25 years and I thought, well, enough is enough. Let it go back to nature. But it's survived very well. I'm really surprised. All that effort and all that water. All I've done over the last year is mow the lawn and trim the hedges, and that's it. And I just let it get on with whatever it wants to do. The place was originally the Baptist church, the local Baptist church. They moved out 25 years ago and built themselves a new place. So we got this old one. The backyard, as you'll see in the very first shot, or not the very first shot, but when we moved in, it was just very barren. It had been used as a car park for the church, so it was pretty rough. It took a lot of getting together. And it was fun, I enjoyed it, but I just totally lost interest in gardening. There are other things that are more fun, I guess. So that's it. That was the end of the gardening for me, except for one little piece that I keep going and I enjoy. It's just like a little courtyard and I like that. Well, anyway, that's the story of my garden. Thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate it. Thank you.